डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस के सीरीज में हमारा आज का टॉपिक है रिबेल एंड द राज, द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 एंड इट्स रिप्रेजेंटेशंस, थीम 11, क्लास 12th। सबसे पहले 1 mark questions. Question number 1, when and where did the revolt of 1857 begin? Question 2, who were the rebels of Meerut and how did the revolt spread? Third, what was Bell of Arms? Fourth, name the government buildings destroyed in the revolt of 1857. Fifth, what was the immediate reason of revolt of 1857? Sixth, how did the revolt of 1857 acquire legitimacy? Seventh, mention the various sources of history that represent the period of revolt of 1857. Question number 8, the revolt of 1857 started from, you have a choice, A. Delhi, B. Punjab, C. Meerut, D. Lucknow. Choose among them. Question number 9, the painting relief of Lucknow was painted or created by, again choice, A. John Marshall, B. Abanindranath Tagore, C. Miss Wheeler, D. Thomas Jones Barker. Question number 10, who said this about Awadh, a cherry that will drop into our mouth one day? Again choice, A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Wellesley, C. William Bentinck, D. Lord Curzon. Choose one among them. Question 11, who was a prominent leader of revolt in Delhi? I repeat the question, who was a prominent leader of revolt in Delhi? A. Begum Hazrat Mahal, B. Rani Lakshmibai, C. Bahadur Shah Zafar, D. Tatya Tope. You have to choose one among these. Coming to question number 12, the reason given by the British for the annexation of Awadh in 1856 was A. Misgovernance, B. Soil good for indigo production, C. Place was ideal for major market of Upper India, D. To complete the process of annexation that started in 1757. You have to choose the correct option. Question 13, why did money lenders become a target of rebels? Again, choice, A. Money lenders did not provide arms to sepoys, B. They were living a luxurious life, C. They were oppressive and allied with the British, D. They were not giving loans to the sepoys. Again, choose the correct option. Question 14, which Governor General abolished sati? A. Lord Dalhousie, B. William Bentinck, C. Lord Wellesley, or D. Lord Curzon. Choose the correct option. Question 15, who wrote the poem Khoob Ladi Mardani wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi? Again choice, A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Mahadevi Verma, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Question 16, the objective of pictorial images made in Britain showing the events of 1857 was, choose the correct option. A. They glorified Indian rebels, B. They celebrated revolt as the first war of independence, C. Indian painters made them, D. They conveyed that trouble was over, rebellion had ended, the British were victors. Question 17, Bell of Arms were a storeroom where A. Arms were kept, B. Gold was kept, C. Slaves were kept, D. Rebels were kept. Choose the correct option. Moving on to question number 18, Gonu, a tribal cultivator, was active in 1857 in this area. Choose the correct option again. A. Jhansi, B. Singhbhum in Chota Nagpur, C. Amer, D. Barut in Uttar Pradesh. Question 19, the Talukdars were declared interlopers by the British in this act. You have to choose the correct option. A. Permanent settlement, B. Summary settlement, C. Rayatwari settlement, D. Mahalwari settlement. Question 20, which records of the rebels are available to us for understanding the events of 1857? Choose the correct option. A. Official histories, B. Autobiographies, C. Paintings, D. Rebel proclamation, notification and letters. Question 21, which part of India did not see any rebellion? Again, choose the correct option. A. Lucknow, B. Kanpur, C. Punjab, D. Jhansi. Question 22. Subsidiary alliance was devised by A. Lord William Bentinck, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord Dalhousie. Choose the correct option. Question 23. Another popular name of Wajid Ali Shah, the Nawab of Awadh, was Alamgir, A. B. Jane Alam, C. Shehenshah, D. Raja Mirza. Choose the correct option. Question 24. Shah Mal Jat lived in, again choice, A. Santhal Pargana, B. Bharuch UP, C. Satara, D. Jhansi. Question 25. Who gave this statement? 3/4 of adult male in Awadh were involved in rebellion of 1857. This is a statement. You have to write the correct option. Who gave this statement? A. Felis Beito, B. Forsyth, C. Thomas Jones, D. Joseph Noel Patton. So with this we come to the end of the 1 markers. Moving on to the second segment, 3-mark question. Question number 1. How did the cities during the month of revolt appear? 2. Explain the pattern of 1857 revolt with its chain of events. 3. Discuss the evidence that indicates planning and coordination among rebels. 4th. Why did the sepoys turn to erstwhile ruler to provide leadership to the revolt? 5th. What was the impact of subsidiary alliance on Awadh? Question number 6. Why did British annex Awadh? What reason did British give to annex Awadh? Question number 7. Why and how people of Awadh mourned the departure of the Nawab? 8th. What were the measures taken to ensure unity among the rebels? This can also come as an 8-marker. Question number 9. What was summary settlement? Why did British impose or introduce it? Question 10. How did annexation of Awadh affect peasants? Question 11. What was the impact of annexation of Awadh on sepoys? 12. What was Awadh considered? Why was Awadh considered a nursery of Bengal army? I repeat question number 12. Why was Awadh considered a nursery of Bengal army? Question 13. What issues were highlighted against British in Azamgarh proclamation? Question 14. How did rebels try to establish alternative power? Question number 15, 3 marks question. What measures were taken by British to put down or crush the revolt of 1857? Question 16. Mention the sources of history that familiarize us with the revolt of 1857. Moving on to third segment, 8-mark question. Question number 1. Why did the sepoys turn to the erstwhile ruler for leadership in 1857 revolt? This is a repeat question. And further, how did the sepoys pursue this task and name the main leaders? So you have to do an 8 marks question in the same pattern. Question number 2. Discuss the extent to which religious beliefs shaped the events of 1857. Or the question can come in a different way. What role did rumors and prophecies play in shaping the beliefs of the Indian people? Why did people believe in these rumors and prophecies? Question number 3. Why was the revolt of 1857 widespread in Awadh? And further, how did it affect the talukdars, zamindars, peasants and sepoys? Question 4. What measures were taken to ensure unity among the rebels of 1857? Question 5. What do visual representation tell us about revolt of 1857? Further, how do historians analyze these reports? Question number 6. Examine the visual and text source to know the point of view of the victor and the vanquished. Vanquished means those who lost the battle. With this, the 8-mark segment ends, and let us move on to the 4th segment, that is the questions based on sources and figures. Question number 1, page 288, figure 11.1, portrait of Bahadur Shah Zafar. Question: who was Bahadur Shah Zafar? Second, when did the sepoys enter the gates of the Red Fort? Third, how did the revolt of 1857 acquire legitimacy? Next, why did the sepoys revolt? And the last question, how did Bahadur Shah Zafar react to sepoys' proposal for acceptance of leadership? Second question, page 289, figure 11.2, ordinary people join sepoys. Question is, how did the mutiny begin? Second, what was the first action taken by sepoys? Third, who were Firangis? Define. Fourth, name the major towns where ordinary people joined sepoys in revolt of 1857. Fifth, fifth is, who were their major target of attack? Means the major target of attack of the rebels. Question number 3, page 290, source 1, ordinary life in extraordinary times. Question, mention the adversities faced by common people of Delhi during a revolt. Next question, where is this excerpt taken from? Third question, how did this newspaper view the action of people? Moving on to question 4, page 291, source 2, Sistan and the Tehsildar. Question, how were the plans of rebels communicated according to the excerpt? Second question, why did the Tehsildar regard Sistan as rebel? Third, who was Sistan? Where did he go and for what purpose? Next question, from where did the Tehsildar come? Next, write the difference between mutiny and revolt. Moving on to question number 5 in this segment, page 292, figure 11.3, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Question, who was Rani Lakshmi Bai? Second, on what pretext did she lose her throne or kingdom? Explain. Question 6, page 292, figure 11.4, Nana Sahib. Question, who was Nana Sahib? Second question, what happened to him after the revolt of 1857? Seventh question, page 293, box 2 rebels of 1857. The first was Shamal Jat. Question is, who was Shamal? Where did he come from? Second question, why did he revolt against Britishers? Third question, how did he carry out his revolt? Next question, question number 8, page 293, box. Again, 2 rebels of 1857, Maulvi Ahmad Shah. Question, who was Maulvi Ahmad Shah? Second, what other name was given to him and why? Third, how did he carry out his revolt against Britishers? Question number 9, page 294, figure 11.5, Henry Hardinge. Question, what does the picture convey? Second question, who painted this picture and when? Third, what role rumors and prophecies play to move people into action during revolt of 1857? Next, what story was associated with Enfield rifle? Question number 10, page 296, box subsidiary alliance. Question is, what was subsidiary alliance? Second question, who devised it? Third, who was a resident? You have to define this term. Next, name some places where this system was implanted. That is, subsidiary alliance system was implemented. Moving on to question number 11, page 297, source 3, the Nawab has left. Why and how did the people of Awadh mourn? This is the first question of this figure, this source. Why and how did the people of Awadh mourn the departure of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah? Next question, on what plea was Awadh annexed? Third, what role did Lord Dalhousie play in annexing Awadh? 12th question, page 298, a zamindar from Awadh, figure 11.8. Question, how did annexation of Awadh affect talukdars? Second, what was summary settlement of 1856? Third, why did the British remove talukdars? Question number 13, page 299, source 4, what talukdars thought? Question, how did British curb the power of talukdars? Second, why did Hanwant Singh save the life of British officer? Third, what role did the Talukdar play in revolt of 1857? Fourth, what was the result of disposition of Talukdars? And also attempt the question that is given in source 4. Question number 14, page 300. Bengal sepoys in European style uniform, figure 11.7. Question, why was Awadh called the nursery of Bengal army? Second question, what was the link between sepoys and the rural areas, that is the families of peasants? Question 15, page 301, source 5. The Azamgarh Proclamation, 25th August 1857. Question, according to the extract, why were the zamindars angry with British? Second, what would be their condition according to the source in Badshahi government? Third, why were the public servants dissatisfied? And also attempt the questions given in source 5. Question number 16, and this is the last question of this test series, set of question. Picture reading. Figure 11.9, page 306. How did British suppress the revolt? Then again, figure on page 306, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313. All information is given in my related notes in detail. All these figures are attempted and explained in my given report, and all other questions also you will find the answer very easily in my notes. With this we come to the end of this set of question. Thank you very much. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.